Benefits of appearing in Google Map. When customers search for businesses on Google, they often see a variety of results appear on the map. If your business is one of those that appears, it can offer a number of benefits. For starters, appearing on the map can help to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. In addition, customers who see your business on the map are more likely to trust your brand and feel confident about doing business with you. Finally, appearing on the map can also help to improve your local SEO, making it easier for customers to find you when they search for relevant keywords. So, if you're looking to give your business a boost, appearing on Google Maps is a great place to start. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.